How to solve error Roblox failed to load library SensApi.dll error. So if you want to solve this error, then here are some methods. So the first stage is you need to replace the SensApi.dll file. Since this error can be caused due to the corrupted SensApi.dll file in your Windows, you need to replace this corrupted DLL file with its new uncorrupted version. Follow the steps which is given below. So first click on the link. So I'll just paste this link on the description. You just need to simply go with the link. And once you go with the link, you will get this kind of interface. Once you get this kind of interface, you just need to simply enter SENSAPI and hit the enter on your keyboard. Now, in the search results page, click on the SensApi.dll link. Scroll down to find the file version which is appropriate for your Windows bit version. So in my case, I'll be choosing 64-bit because it's for my Windows 11. So you just need to simply go with download, click on the download option or the button related to that architecture. If you're using 32-bit, then download the file associated with it. Once the SensApi file is downloaded, you need to simply right-click on the file and choose Extract All from the options. Click on Extract button to start the extraction of the file into the folder and then click on Extract, which is here on the bottom right. Now, you need to simply go with your local disk, and under that, you need to go with the Windows and System32 folder. Under System32, you will have the SensApi.dll, which you have just downloaded. So what you need to do is simply right-click on it, and then you will have Copy option. And once you've copied, you need to go back to the System32 folder, and then you need to paste that in the empty space. Once you've pasted, you'll be asked for the permission to replace the existing file. You need to simply click on the Replace File Destination option. And once you replace the file, you will successfully replace the uncorrupted SensApi.dll file with the corrupted one. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go with the Start button and go with the settings and make sure to go with the Update and Security option. Under Update and Security, you need to go and search for the Windows Update. So if you have any updates under your Windows, then go with the Windows Update and update your Windows. Just simply click on Updates and go with the update process. And if you have any updates, install them. And after that, you just need to simply go with Restart. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.